It's Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your phone that keeps restarting in safe mode. So I'm going to say most of the time, the reason why your phone keeps restarting into safe mode, even though you press the restart button, etc., is your keys right here. Something with your keys is pressing it down, so it keeps restarting into safe mode. So I suggest removing your case, just like this. And then with your phone off, look at all these keys right here and make sure something is not pressed in all the way. If it's pressed in and you restart your phone, that's the reason why safe mode keeps popping up. So make sure these are not stuck in, clean them, and make sure there's a button press when you press it down now. So maybe something is held down or something like that. That's the reason why it keeps restarting. And then you can simply just go to the power option right here and restart, and it should work. Now if that still isn't working, look at all the recent apps you had. Maybe you downloaded some weird app, and that's the reason why it's not working. So go through your app list and start deleting anything you don't recognize and anything you don't need. So like the smart tutor, I'm not sure what this is, but I'm going to delete it. And then I got Microsoft, what is this? EXFAT, not sure what that is. I'm going to delete it too. So look at that as an option as well. Now, for some reason it still doesn't work, go to settings, scroll on down to about phone or maybe in system, and look at your different reset options right here. And with Samsung, you can go to temporary cloud backup, back up all the data on your phone, and then you can come back here and restore the data, and you have unlimited backup for 30 days. Or you can just transfer it to like a USB device or something that's plugged into your phone. But once you have all your data copied, you can just come in here and you can do a data factory reset. And then this will completely wipe everything off your phone and make it run like it was new. So look at the different reset options and look at the key presses I was talking about. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.